What's up, guys? My name's Sean. I live in my van over there. I've been living in my van for about 3 months now, and kind of took a big trip from the East Coast to the West Coast, not knowing anyone, and just living life and doing the things I want to do. And it's crazy. Living the van life, it's a good opportunity to get out there and always be outside. And for me, doing the things I love, like skating, surfing, and a lot of stuff where, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter all these other things that are going on in the world. As long as I'm doing what's making me happy, then I'm happy. And a lot of people, everyone, including myself, sometimes we get in like the trap of thinking too much instead of just feeling and doing. And that's a big thing for me. I love the van life. It keeps things simple, and just remind yourself on a daily basis to be doing the stuff you love, and not letting society's terms and stuff like that hold you back from doing the things that you love. Because there's a lot of people that'll say you can't do this or that, and it's crazy, but really it's just like everyone's different and everyone's their own person, so everyone's situation is different, and you got to do what makes you happy. And just coming together is one of the big things. There's a big van life, we all meet each other and say what's up and share ideas, help each other build each other's vans out, because we're all stoked that we're doing this thing where we're not doing what everyone else is doing. We're doing our own thing, and we can help each other out in so many different ways so that we can all have an amazing journey of life. And it's awesome. Unity is the best thing ever, preach Rasta and stuff. I love the reggae just because of the unity, and not going with society because society tries to keep us all different and say we have to do this and that. And really, we're all in this together, and if we come together, then we can't be stopped. So just give each other love every day, no matter who you are. Share smiles. The smiles are contagious, and just keep love going, and life will be amazing, and you'll impact someone's day beyond what you could imagine. And just keep on sharing love and living that life you love. So much love. I'm Sean. Keep things irie and keep things simple.